Hey everybody, today we are going to make reading list bookmarks. I found this template online. I thought it was fun. There are all kinds of different colors that you can use, and you can even print this out and trace it on whatever kind of cardstock you already have if you'd prefer something that is less stripy or colorful. I like stripes. I like colors, so I used this one. I printed this on heavier paper than the standard printer paper, but you can always use standard printer paper if that's what you have. Or if you've got cardstock, go ahead and print it on that. It will be a little bit sturdier if you print it with cardstock. Just go ahead and, as I said, cut it out all pretty. You can do it. I believe in you. Scissors, they're the way. And you trim this corner off so that those tabs will fold down pretty. And then you want to cut out your list. Now what I think is nice about this list is that you can actually just use any square that's this size. So if you find that you're like me and you fill up your list pretty quickly, you can print however many of these you want, or just cut paper that's that size and just keep switching out what's inside this bookmark. And then once you've got the two printed out and have straightened out the fact that you can't cut in a straight line like me, you want to fold your tabs. So we will start folding as soon as perfectionist me fixes my mistakes. That's good enough. Okay, fold those tabs. There, what your glue goes on. Reinforce the fold. We're getting origami in here. I showed you origami. I showed you how good I was at folding. You believe me, right? Of course you do. And then once you've got that, I tried folding that way and then I got mad. Turn it around, match up your color and your corners, and then fold it along that line. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Grab a glue stick or double-sided tape, or even just some school glue, whatever you have on hand, and put some glue on those flaps, and then tuck them under and close that. It will need about 30 seconds to dry, but as you see, I didn't give it that because I don't like waiting. And you can slide in your book list. There you go. Now you can make this more complicated if you want. Ouch, that was my knee. Add a tassel. I'm leaving that in. I show you how to make a tassel in a different bookmark video, so I'm just going to go ahead and link that below, and you can go watch that. I'm just attaching this where I want it, and I trim my tassel off. I even use the same exact thread that I gave you guys in that unicorn bookmark kit. So just use what's in the kit if you still have that on hand. Then you can start writing down either the books you want to read or the books you've already read this summer.